All right, here we go. Automotive Alchemy, another one. This one was kind of fun to talk about. I've got this little 1985 Toyota four-wheel drive truck here I've had for years, and finally going to finish it up. So we're going to start mixing up some body filler today. Just wanted to show you guys what we like to use. It's the Evercoat Z Grip. And the reason why we like to use it the most is because it's superior adhesion to galvanized steel and aluminum. It's tack-free, corrosion resistance. You know, that's awesome. And no shrinkage. That's why we like it. Some people hate it. They say it sounds like concrete, stuff like that. And it don't sound real easy, but the one thing about it is that I don't have any comebacks or any kind of cracking, you know, ever. So that's why I always use this product. But the main thing is you got to remember, you got to stir this stuff and you got to mix it right. So follow the directions. Another issue that we have here is I've got some mud spreaders, and man, they are torn up. They're just, the edges are all fouled up and messed up. If you can get a zoom in on how nasty these are right here, they're just terrible edges. I'm just going to lay some mud out here and just let you guys see what it looks like. Yeah, a little insider trick today. You always want to stir your mud. You always want to stir your mud with something. I just got a little piece of aluminum here that I like to use because it's just kind of easy to deal with. And when it's brand new, you want to go up and down. I try to do that when I'm getting to the bottom, but it's really hard to do because you don't want to put air bubbles in this. You'll have pinholes. We all know what that's like. Now, I'm going to show you guys just how weird this mud spreader is torn up. I'll even tear it up a little more just so you guys can see. And it's got big nasty creases and edges in it. And look what happens. See the lines? Yep. Somebody's been using my mud spreaders and not taking care of them. So the only way to fix this is to put this stuff back in here. Look at the lines in your cardboard. If they're going like this, go against the lines. And you can take your mud spreader, put a little angle on it. You're going to see some plastic start showing up real quick. I'll even do this to my brand new mud spreaders. As long as I got a good square edge down here to finish it off with. Oh yeah, nice and slick. A little bit more right there on the back. But yeah, I'll even take a brand new spreader and do that just to make it nice and slick, just so I don't have to deal with the mud lines. You come back over here. I'm going to show you guys real quick just how easy this is fixed just by a cardboard box. It's still got lines in it. Shit. So if you get still more lines, you just come back over here and just do it again real quick. All right, so we got this edge burnt off pretty good now. Let's see how this works now. Oh yeah, nice and glassy. No lines. And that's how you repair a mud spreader. You see how nice I'm getting that on there? Got some crap in here, but it's all right. The one thing about having a good mud spreader is so important is getting your build on when you're trying to do your filler work. Because if you got a mud spreader that's kind of curved or kind of messed up, or you know, if you got edges in it or whatever, you're going to want to keep recoating and keep resanding, and the next thing you know, you got a big pile of Bondo dust and money laying on the floor and you're not getting anywhere. So having a real good mud spreader is super important. Making sure you keep those lines out of your mud and making sure you get the mud on the actual panel, you know, and get it on there where you want it. As you can see, that's nice and slick. So yeah, that's how you sharpen a mud spreader. Now you can do the white ones and you can do the yellow ones too. This one was brand new. It came in tore up because I think it might be one of those like maybe bought at the flea market type of mud spreaders. Not really sure how it ended up here. I don't buy mud spreaders this big. Just don't really do me much good. I don't do that big of mud work. Some people even use, metal mud spreaders. I've seen that. Aluminum ones seems to be real popular right now. I've seen that reusable. We'll scrape this mud off. Just like that. And then we'll respread it. As you can see, no lines. Very, very simple. Very easy to do. Like I said, I even do my brand new mud spreaders that way. I just like a good slick edge when I'm going to put on filler. I want to get the stuff on there. No lines. All you got to do is make sure you're going against the grain and burning that edge off. All you're doing is using the heat from the friction in the cardboard to actually remake that edge. So, yeah, if you want to save a little bit of money and materials, quit throwing mud spreaders away so much. You can definitely get, more than a couple uses out of them. I mean, I don't even know how old some of these mud spreaders are around here. Who knows? But yeah, that's how you fix a mud spreader. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope this helps you guys figure out some stuff and save some money for your shop.